Today, I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make money online with Notebook LM, which is a free AI. By the way, this is not me. This is an AI version of me, as you can see in this video. And that video converts really well. How do you create that video? Well, let me show you how. Right. One of the easiest ways you can do this, so you can actually go to video overview here. You can give some custom instructions, and then you can create a VSL based on the video that you want to generate. Right. So, for example, here we can say, right, okay, create a direct response style, hit generate, boom. That's going to start generating the video overview over here, right? Now, what we can do in the meantime is we can also generate an audio overview, right? Now, I would typically recommend if it's a VSL, you want to go shorter. If it's like a long form educational piece, then obviously you want to go longer. And if it's just like I don't know, I haven't seen many people do this, but if you wanted to create, say, content for YouTube, then you could go to default here. Now, again, all this stuff is free, right? It doesn't cost you anything to do this. It doesn't cost you anything to use Notebook LM, but you can generate VSLs, you can generate podcasts, you can create content that converts on social media, right? Really simple and easy. The other thing that I would do here inside the notebook is I would actually switch this. So I would switch to conversational style. I'm going to go to custom. And again, I'm going to say it right. Every sentence on a new line, third grade reading level, assume people know nothing about what we sell, assume people know nothing about who I am. And then also website equals AI profit boardroom.com. All right. And again, like we're basically instructing the AI to understand who we are, what we sell, and communicate with our audience in the best way possible. The other thing I would say here is that you want direct response. Dan Kennedy is one of the best copywriters that I find works really well with AI. It just seems to emulate that style really easily. So we're going to change that over here. And then we're going to hit save over here, right? And then also, if you're creating social media content, you want like a shorter response length, right? So if we say, okay, now create a tweet thread, or let's say, for example, now create a VSL script, right? A video sales letter script. So we can actually use Notebook LM to generate like video sales letters. We could use it for social media posts. We could use it for writing really good copy, sales pages, etc.